So you've been hearing the news about the insurance market tightening up in the San Francisco Bay Area and in the state of California. Here are 3 things you want to look out for whether you're selling or buying a home in the San Francisco Bay Area. Zinsco, Federal Pacific, or other branded panels that are known to fail. Insurance companies don't like seeing these and may decline to bind a policy on the home because of these panels. Number 2, knob and tube wiring. Knob and tube wiring is known to cause fires, especially if there is insulation in the attic and it's touching the knob and tube wiring. That could cause an unexpected fire, and it's a high risk, and many insurance companies don't like seeing that. Number 3, old roofs. If the roof has not been replaced in the last 30 to 50 years and it's made from composition shingle or any other material that needs to be replaced within that time period, the insurance company may decline to bind an insurance policy for the home. So make sure that roof is replaced. Navigating this in today's market, especially if you're submitting a non-contingent offer, is crucial. So if you're buying a home, please make sure to look out for these things. And if you're selling a home, maybe consider getting these things replaced or repaired before putting your home on the market to ensure you don't have any issues during escrow. My name is Mike Sinitsky with Rise Homes, and we're here to help if you're looking to buy or sell.